Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to make a left Pascal star pattern using JavaScript. So basically, it's a pattern in which you print a sequence of spaces and stars, and first the order is increasing from one star to, in this example, say 5 stars, and then the number of stars decreases from 5 to 1 as we go down. So let's get started. So first we will set let n equals to say 5 because we want to print maximum 5 stars, and then decrease the number of stars from there on. Okay, then we will set string equals to an empty string. We will store the stars and spaces in this string. Okay, then we have to use a for loop. Okay, okay. So what this loop will do, it will run the number of lines. So first we will print up to 5 lines for 1 star up to 5 stars. So that's why I have taken from I to equals to 5. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will print 5 lines. Okay, so in all those lines, first we want to print empty spaces. Okay, so we will use another loop. So let j equals to 0, and here's a condition -1. Okay, see what will happen here. First we have to print spaces. So according to that, I have given this loop. I will explain it. Give a space. Okay, so you see, we will start from j equals to 0. Then this condition n -1. So n is 5. So first it will be 4. So this loop will run 4 times. So you will get 4 empty spaces. Then j will increment, and according to this condition, j will be here less than 3. Then this loop will run 3 times, and then 2 times, then 1 times. So the number of spaces will be printed as many times as this condition is true. Okay, so first it will print 4 spaces, then 3 spaces, then 2 spaces, then 1 space, then 0 space. Then we want to print after space, we want to print stars. So we use another loop for that. Let k equals to 0. K, see, number of stars increases from 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up to 5. So as you can see, I is also incrementing with each line. So we will set it according to I. Okay, then increment k. Then insert this star. Okay, so what will happen here, this condition will hold. First your I is 1, so k is 0, that means k is less than 1. It is true once, so it will print 1 star. Then k will become 2, so this condition will be true twice, so it will print 2 stars, then 3 stars, then 4 stars, then 5 stars. Okay, So after this, we have to print. We have to move to the next line after each loop for I, because then we want to move to the next line. So we have to give this command. Okay. Okay. So okay. So now that we have printed this sequence from 1 star to 5 star, maybe you can see this. Now we have to print a reverse. We have to go from 5 star to 1 star. I mean 4 stars here, then 3, then 2, then 1. So we print it like this. Then we have to make a new loop. Okay. So we have to use another for loop. So okay, equals to, say, we want it to run 4 times because we want 4 lines. So we will set it 1, then I is less than n. Okay. Then we will use another loop for printing spaces. Okay. J equals to 0 and j less than I. J plus plus. Okay. So first I will be equals to 1. So this loop will run 1 time. So you will have initially 1 space, then 2 space, 3 space, 4 space. So you have to, yes, add spaces. Okay. Okay, so after adding spaces, you have to add stars. So run another loop for that. K equals to 0. Okay, K. See, you want first you want 4 stars, then you want 3 stars. So according to that, you have to set these conditions. So the only thing changing here is I because of the loop. So you have to include I in these equations. So suppose n minus I. Okay. So star. Uh, See, in this condition, first I n minus I will give you 4. So k will run from 0, 1, 2, 3 according to this condition. That means 4 times. So it